video, I'll be showing you how you can use regular old red Solo cup you might have lying around the house to create some really cool art. This is not the art, but you'll just want to cut them into these little shapes. And the only other thing that I did prior to filming the rest of this video was putting some black down on the canvas. This black that is thinned with water and a little bit of this Artist Loft pouring medium. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is what we're working with to put the red Solo cups on. I ran out of black, so I didn't want to make more, and that's okay. So I decided to improvise and just use some of this white here. So I think it's gonna look really cool if we put this here. And this is going to be filled with more paint. So just decide where you want these to live, at least for now, because we are gonna do some dragging across. And I highly encourage you to not do exactly what I just did. Do what you want to do. Use different colors. Put the cups in a different spot. Do what feels right. So that's what feels right for me. What we're going to do now is I've got some pretty blues. And I've got some more white. So the blues are actually a pre-mixed acrylic pouring, fluid art ready paint from Deco Art. I have them linked in the description. And then I added some of this Artist Loft silicone oil, again linked in the description. And I'm hoping that that'll create some cells, but we'll see. The white is just a soft body acrylic paint. I mixed in some acrylic pouring medium, some of that silicone, and some water. So what I'm gonna do first is layer in this darker blue here, just to cover the bottom. I'm gonna do that again in one of the other ones. I'm not gonna put that darker blue up here. Don't know why, I just don't want to. So next, some white. Then I'm just gonna put the white first up here. Now, this pretty teal color, I'm gonna put that on top of the white. And these two, and on this one. Actually, I'm gonna put the blue directly on top here. So, ooh, that looks kind of cool already. Nice. I'm gonna put another layer of that dark blue, just a little bit, in both of these. And it's okay if it doesn't look exactly like you thought it would right now. It's never gonna look exactly like you thought it was going to. So just have fun and figure out where these colors should be and how much of each and what's going on with your painting that day. Oh, we have some really cool stuff happening actually. It's coming out. Ooh. I'm actually gonna move because you guys probably can't see it. But we've got some cool effects happening here. You can see the reflection of my phone in the ring light. Anyway, so some cool stuff is happening already. I'm excited. And I think that this is all I'm gonna put in for now, actually. And we're gonna see what happens. So from here, we can start releasing this paint. And I want you to have fun, okay? I want you to have no idea what's going to happen and just go with it. Go with your intuition. That's really the most important part about this, I think. So my intuition is that I should drag this. I should lift it up just a little bit and start to drag it this way. And then make a few little indications here, just some movements, so that we can see some of those colors underneath. Oh wow, I really like this. Some of that white is just coming through. Don't really want to mess with this nice, interesting bloom I have over here. Cool. So that's the first cup. I mean, that looks pretty cool to me. I like it. I'm actually just gonna put it in here for now. All right, I'm excited to see what happens with this next one. So what if I just, oh, interesting. It's not really moving. But I'm just gonna let that do its thing. I'm not gonna do anything else. Oh, all right. That looks weird. Okay, it's gonna look different though. And again, I'm just gonna like let it go and kind of drag it here. Oh, whoa. Oh, and I'm doing some changes to what was going on under there on the other side. Wow. Okay, this is very cool. And we already have some cells actually going on. You can see them, so cool. I'm gonna mess with this now. I'm going to just kind of wiggle this around and come through. Wow. And again, just do what feels right. At that time. It doesn't have to be exactly what you thought it was going to look like. And actually, believe me when I say it's going to look better than you could have imagined. Look at this over here. I think that's so cool. A lot of cool stuff going on here, guys. I do kind of want to change this a little bit though. Make it a little more wavy. I'm disrupting some of these cells that are forming, and that's okay. Right? Because I like these waves that are kind of happening here. It's hard to know when it's done, right? I'm looking at it and I like it. This looks very cool to me. I'm into it. But I almost want more. So I have some paint left, right? I'm not gonna mess with this. I think this is really cool what's going on here. I want to add to this. This is what I want to change. So I'm going to add my cup. I'm going to go in with this teal. I really like this teal. I want a lot of that in this spot. Some of the white, I'm going to kind of swirl it around a little bit. I think you guys can't really see this that well, but that's okay. I'm going to add just a little bit of that darker blue on top. And I'm just going to lift it up a little bit. Just a little bit. And again. And just kind of twist as I pull. Oh, that's kind of cool. And I want that again over here, actually. I'm gonna kind of pull that down. Look at all those little cells forming. Oops, I just realized I have this cup in front of the camera. I really think this looks cool. So I'm going to stop here, but I am going to add a little bit of heat to kind of encourage the cells to form. This is just a blowtorch. Again, I have it linked in the description if you need one. I'm just going to kind of go over. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. I think that this turned out really cool. I'm at the end going to show you the final product.